Meaning of disruptive.
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 Disruptive. The term disruptive refers to something that interrupts the normal way of doing things, causing significant changes in a particular system or industry. The result of a disruption can be both positive and negative, depending on the context. Disruptive technologies, for example, may create new opportunities for growth and innovation, but also pose a threat to established businesses and industries. Disruptive behavior or events can also lead to chaos and instability, but may also bring about necessary change and progress. Ultimately, the impact of disruption depends on how it is managed and adapted to by individuals and organizations involved.